Hey there, Madam here with a new project that I'm looking into that I wanted to discuss with you because the minting process starts on Wednesday. So you have a couple days to look into the project and decide if it's a good fit for you. But I always like to get in on the forefront of projects because I feel like once it gets too far down the line, it's almost more difficult to get into as prices increase. So now would be the time you get to mint your own NFT. But let's jump into the project. So this project is called Age of SAM, and the website is ageofsam.io. I will link it below. Let's share. You can join their Discord from the website. You can read their light paper, which we will get into. But the basic premise of this game is that it is on the Solana blockchain. And the interesting and unique part of this project is that they've partnered with 12 other existing Solana NFT projects to create a game based around all of the communities of each of the projects. So if we scroll down, I'll show you a picture of the NFT that you would be minting on Wednesday. So this is the SAM NFT. And you can see the face of the astronaut correlates to one of 12 Solana NFT projects that are already out there on the market. And the cool thing that they've done is if you own one of these other project NFTs and you stake your SAM within the game, you earn double, well, 1.5 to 2 times rewards in the game. So that's a really important point to this because you want to make sure that you have not only your SAM NFT that you mint on Wednesday, but your one of the 12 faction NFTs. So the easiest way to really dive in and get some more information on the project is going to be to open up their light paper from their website, and you can read the whole story behind it. Of course, it's, you know, a space themed game like many of the others, but you have the unique partnership with those 12 different factions. So read through to get the full story of the game. But as far as the mechanics of it, they have announced all 12 over on their Discord. So if you go over to the Age of Sam Discord and click on WTF is Sam, you'll get the full rundown, and you can see if you are already familiar with any of these existing projects on Solana, then you're already halfway there for this game. So that's pretty cool. The minting on Wednesday is to purchase your SAM NFTs. I believe it's 1 Solana, which is currently probably about $100 or so. Let's go see. Solana to US dollars. Okay, so it's actually gone down a little bit. So it's $94 to mint the NFT, and then once they open up the staking within the game, which should also be this quarter, you can start earning in-game tokens called SOLARIUM. That SOLARIUM can be used to eventually purchase moon bases and other mechanics within the game. You can also, I believe, create new SAM NFTs with the SOLARIUM. So that will be the utility of the in-game token. And that's what you earn by staking them. And that's where you earn up to 2 times SOLARIUM by having one of the other project NFTs already in your wallet. So look into this a little bit further, read through the light paper to try to get a full understanding. And then what I do like about their Discord is they have a bunch of different servers and channels where you can ask questions, or they really get down to the nitty gritty of how all of this will work. They are very receptive online, unlike some other games that we've been working on. So that's really great. The developers and the supporters are very active on the Discord community. So check it out. I will be minting my own NFTs on Wednesday. That's Wednesday the 16th, I believe. So stay tuned on their Discord for the exact drop time. Be sure to jump on board the project early so that you can get your NFTs. And then I will be doing another video on Wednesday once I mint. Typically what happens with these minting processes is, you pay, you mint through your Solana wallet, and then at some point after the listing ends, they will reveal what NFT you have. So I imagine it'd be similar to those other projects. So you wait a day or so, and then you get to find out what SAM token you've gotten. And then from there, you can go and purchase one of the faction NFTs if you don't already have one. So check it out and be sure to subscribe to my channel to see what I end up minting on Wednesday. Site,